Everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about JPGC Stepping Thread Group is an advanced JMeter plugin that enables gradual ramp up, steady holding, and smooth ramp up down of user threads. So let's begin. First, understand about the JPGC Stepping Thread Group. The JPGC Stepping Thread Group is used because it provides better control over load testing compared to the default thread group. In stripping thread group, we can prevent sudden load spikes by incrementally adding thread, ensuring server stability. We can customize hold and ramp up down, allow maintaining a steady load for analysis, and then gracefully decreasing it. Now, practically, I will show you how we can configure. Click on options and then click on plugins manager. In previous tutorial, I have already explained how you can add the plugin manager in JMeter. Click on plugin manager. In the plugin manager, we have three sections. One is installed plugins. In the installed plugins, we can view all the installed plugins. Here in this section, we can search installed plugins by name and then available plugins. This is the available plugins. We can install these plugins in JMeter. Just mark this checkbox and then click on apply changes and restart JMeter. In the upgrade section, we can view if any new version are coming. We can upgrade the plugins by using this section. Now we need to install the JPGC plugins. Already installed these plugins. You can install this plugin from this section available plugins. Click on installed plugins and search here JPGC. Here you can view this plugin already installed. After installing, you need to click on apply changes and restart JMeter for reflecting changes. Now add this thread group, right click on test plan, add thread users, and then click on JPGC stepping thread group. In this JPGC stepping thread group, we have multiple options are available. This group will start means the number of users will start this group start with an initial set of threads and wait used for defining initial delay. Suppose we want to add specific delay, we can add delay by using changing this value here and add threads incrementally at specified intervals. We can hold for a given duration and then stop the threads gracefully with a smooth ramp down. Now, configure this section. Suppose we start the thread group 100. Here you can view changes. Here the number of threads is equal to 100 and then we say first wait for 10 and here you can view the difference. Here wait for 10 seconds, then start 10 and then add next thread add is equal to 10 seconds. Let's then hold for 60 seconds, finally stop after 10 seconds. Let's change value here. Every thread is equal to 10 and we set the using ramp up is equal to 0 and thread every is equal to 10. Now we need to add the HTTP request here. So right click on JPGC stepping thread group sampler and then click on HTTP request. In the HTTP request, we need to add the protocol server name or IP and then enter the path. Enter protocol here HTTPS and then enter the server name. This is the lifecharger.eu website. Copy this URL and then enter the server name here. Also remove this backslash. We just need to enter the protocol, server name or IP. This is the HTTP request. We use the get method. Now add the listener here. Click on HTTP request, add listener and then click on view result tree. Let's add another listener here. Listener is equal to summary report. We can add also view result table listener here. Click on this aggregate report also available here. So now we can start the test. Everything has been configured. Click on start. It will ask for you to save your test plan before running it. Click on yes and then enter the file name here. JPGC extract and then click on save. Now here you can view wait for few seconds because we add the delay in our script. Here in JPGC we add thread. Now few request has been failed because response message too many times. In the request we can view the get method, HTTPS protocol and the livecharger.eu. Now, in this scenario, we are getting this response from the server because we are sending too many requests to the server. In this scenario, few requests are success and many requests are failed. By using this JPGC stepping, you can perform the testing in a real scenario. Now, here you can view the continuous request failed and here this is the total duration in which the request have been executed. Now, here you can view total out of 170 have been completed. We can stop the test by clicking stop. That is for today tutorial on JPGC Stepping Thread Group. Ensure a realistic and controlled load test helping you identify bottlenecks and optimize server performance effectively. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.